Hello, class. So, in class yesterday, we talked about Pythagoras' theorem. And what we talked about was that a squared plus b squared equaled c squared. And I showed a proof of how to prove that this is correct and that this only works for right triangles. So, part of your homework is going to be to solve for some of these sides given um, some initial information about the triangle. Like you'll have A, B, and C. And in your um, givens, you'll have something like A equals 20 meters. Let's do that. And you'll have like C equals 10 meters. Well, that can't happen. Let's do 40 meters. So the way that you actually solve this is you're going to be using this equation, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. You're going to be plugging these two in and leaving b squared where it is. So when you plug everything in, what you'll find is that 20 squared plus b squared is equal to 40 squared. So the way that you solve this is you subtract 20 squared on both sides. And if I can do this in my head, then we'd have b squared equals what 40 squared is 1600. So 1600, and that's in meters squared minus 400, I believe, meters squared. Yeah, that's right. So then we just simply subtract and we get b squared is equal to 1200 meters squared. To solve this, then you just take the square root of both sides, and whatever square root of 1200 meters squared is, that's what your answer will be. In this case, you can divide 12 by 4 and get, or you can divide it by 400 and then get 3, so you'd have 20 square root of 3 meters, and that would be your solution right there. Hopefully my math is correct. But yeah, so that's going to be how you finish all of the problems in your homework. And for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this video and we'll talk about the lessons for next class. On second thought, I'll be making a second video on similar triangles. So I'm going to leave this video where it is, and that's going to be it on Pythagoras.